Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Freshgogo, Asian grocery and food app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Freshgogo is an online Asian grocery and food delivery app that brings authentic Asian ingredients, snacks, and restaurant-quality meals directly to your doorstep. It partners with local farms, seafood suppliers, and restaurants to deliver fresh produce, frozen items, pantry goods, and cooked dishes from various Asian cuisines, including Chinese, Korean, Japanese, Thai, and Vietnamese. The app is available on both iOS and Android, offering a convenient way to shop for authentic ingredients that are often hard to find in traditional supermarkets. The app's main feature is its wide product selection and freshness guarantee. Users can browse categories for vegetables, meats, seafood, sauces, beverages, and ready-to-eat meals, then schedule deliveries directly to their home. It also includes special weekly deals and seasonal items, making it a great choice for regular Asian food shoppers or anyone wanting to cook authentic dishes. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Freshgogo's fresh produce quality, variety of imported goods, and timely delivery service. The app's clean interface and simple navigation make it easy to reorder favorites, track deliveries, and find new products. Restaurant meal delivery options in certain regions are also praised for bringing authentic tastes right to your door. However, there are some drawbacks. Freshgogo currently operates in limited delivery zones, mostly within select states in the U.S. Some users report minor app glitches or occasional delays with delivery times. Additionally, prices for certain imported goods can be higher compared to local stores, depending on the item and availability. In summary, the Freshgogo app may be worth using if you're looking for authentic Asian groceries, fresh produce, and restaurant-quality meals delivered straight to your home. However, if you live outside their service area or prefer in-store grocery shopping, it may not be the most practical option for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.